everyone, I'm Phoenix and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make number 1, this, number 2, this. So, yeah, let's get started. Alright, so you want to start off with our classic UV sphere, stretch it out, tab, and then wait, you want to subdivide it by, I think it was 2, okay, I guess that's fine. But then, when you're in edit mode, you want to go into edge vertice select mode. Then what you want to do is you want to just find a way to select a bunch of random vertices on one side of your object, so that you can get a very random looking, and you know, like just cuts and stuff everywhere. Just a bit on the side. There. Then you can delete vertices. So now you have that very up and down sort of texture. What you want to do is you want to subdivide it again, so you get a bit of curve. Then maybe you could set it to, in fact I'll leave it at that. Okay, so then you go solidify, so you get this nice little solid 3D object, and then you can tweak that a bit. You don't have to mess with that if you want. Okay, I'm still just learning how to use the. Okay. So then you take the other side, where the other part of the endoskeleton is going to come out, and then you can just, like I said earlier, make it look all broken and destroyed and stuff. So yeah, that's fine. I just want to get a perfect angle so that I can cut all these. I didn't only select a few. Okay, I'll be right back once I sort this proper. Alright guys, so now since you have your nice little shape where both the sides of the endoskeleton is going to come out, what you now want to do is go into tab into edit mode, then face select, and then use the same method as we did in our previous episode. Kind of just like scale down this, pull down a bit. Okay, then when you go back into the original mode, then you can have this subdivided again. Okay, now the light kills my computer, and now there are like a billion faces. Okay, but anyway, that's rough. That's a very rough way of doing it. There are many other ways you can do it. Yet again, my tutorials aren't advanced, and they're not meant to be like crazy superior. But then, yeah. So next we are going on the endoskeleton for our inner body of this UV sphere. So now, yeah, big deal, you have a cylinder. So now we're gonna make it have those little rings we saw over here. Why is everything upside down? Have I been doing this entire operation thing upside down? Okay, wait. Never mind, it's fine, doesn't matter. But so you can go to just smooth it out. I have a custom made material already. It's pretty simple actually. You can just take a look at my settings real quick. I'll actually pause for a second so you can see them. Alright guys, so here are all the options and stuff. You can maybe just pause the video, take a look into them. Mirror and reflectivity. There, you want to make sure that's on. Alright, so now we have our material made, and so if I set this, wait, let me just get a light so it will be visible. So if I go into rendered mode, you'll get a very glossy, and as you can see, it reflects. Pretty cool. It's nice what you can actually do with Blender render. I always thought that Blender render was more for modeling, but it ain't. It's also for texturing. Okay, so we have our little endoskeleton, but yeah, big deal, it's glossy, but we need to have those rings to add a bit more of a we need to make it look a bit more advanced in the sense of we didn't spend like 20 minutes on this. Okay, so, well, technically this is like a tutorial in like 5 minutes. Okay, fine, maybe a bit longer, but somewhere along those lines. So you want to drag this to the very top because we're going to use the modifier array, and you want to set this to zilch, and then you set the, what's this axis? The Z axis to 1, and then, well, actually, in fact, you actually want to set it to -1. So now you would have it there, and you want to kind of lower it to about 1. Okay, you want it to be like about -1.5. There you go. Confusing words of mine are over. Okay, just like put it down to the point where you like it, or maybe you can just like get rid of it and then add like -2 if you want. That would be excuse me. That would be something that I suggest would be a decently good idea. So now you have your rings around it. Then I have my other custom material made, which is this one. And then I'm going to connect them up and set the actual body to be our parent. Not like that parent, just join it. Oh, it's because I need an array, right? So you want to apply your array. Sorry, I've never been fantastic at Blender, but bear with me. So now you have your nice little endoskeleton. So that is it for this video, guys. If you want to if you want to learn how to make some other types of animatronics, then please like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Although, I just want to check how this model comes. Excuse me, I have a very laggy computer. Yeah, so we have a nice little shaded object here. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Drop a like and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next vid.